Woo, is it a hot one. It's Friday about 4:30. We broke a record here in St. Louis today, 103. It's currently 102. Feels like 115. If you're not from the St. Louis area, it has been a miserable, muggy week. You walk out the door at 7 o'clock in the morning, it's 80 degrees and feels like it's 100 already. We are racing tomorrow, Peevely. We've been on the fence all week about what we were gonna do. If the weather was gonna be like it's been all week, we weren't going. We all have full-time jobs. We do this for fun. So it wasn't gonna be too much fun sitting in this heat tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. But cold front's supposed to come through tonight. Tomorrow's in mid to high 80s with a lot less humidity. So we will be at Peevely tomorrow night, 1,500 to win. The IRA and MOA sprint cars will be there with us, so it should be a pretty good show. If you're in the St. Louis area, come check it out. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button. We're gonna get in the video for this week. Welcome to Daryn Klein Racing. It is Monday, about 10 till 5. It is currently 93 degrees outside, but it feels like 116. Gonna be a warm one washing. We got a little time before we get to that. We did get the right side partially off Saturday night when we unloaded. Door bars bent, bottom door brace is bent. That's got to come off and be straightened. There's the right side door, it was bent. Left side's coming off. We got some braces to straighten under it. Probably putting nose, hood, fenders, and sides on it this week. At least that's the plan right now, and that may change in the morning. I'm gonna get her stripped down here and get to washing here shortly. Probably about an hour or so, but time to get going. Left side's off of it, straightening now. George is sweeping. This has got a little swale in it we got to get out. And this is bent. We got to straighten it out. It's like these just from about here to here.
You got wet.
It what? Say that's as good as it's going to get. So we soak the nose down in super clean, keep the nose dry and spray the super clean on, and that brings it back to bright white once you hit it with the pressure washer. If you don't spray the super clean on when the nose is dry, it don't get near as white. She is cracked big time. Crocs are a must washing the car because you get soaked. Like a blister, look who decided to show up. Oh, Nicholas.
These boys are out here playing pretend race car driver.
You put that on upside down there. And you just sent the nut flying, didn't you?
Oh, fuck you, Landon. Fucking crap. God damn. That's a dirtier stripper on $2 Tuesday down there.
Well, it's hot outside. Air conditioner broke at your work today, huh?
It's hot. It's hot at school too this morning.
I walked out the door, let the dog out at 7 o'clock this morning, and I was like, good gosh. Does that go underneath it?
I don't think so, because it marked with the straps there, so.
Oh, okay. Strip it out. There you go. She warm?
Yeah, she is. Okay, now open it all the way up. Down? Down.
Hold it, I'll get the hammer and tap on it. Straightening panels. Go along, never mind.
That's about all we're gonna get. Now flip it over. Just a bit, let me get the bottom. Yeah, we're good.
That one got to be done yet.
I don't think
Doug said, screw it.
Massaging on this.
She'll ride another day. Still don't know about this yet, though. She's going back together. Did you put one on this side too? No,
What?
not yet.
On what? No, we gotta get that too.
She'll dig.
This was probably supposed to get the one to washer and all up there, but she gets kind of exposed.
Well, it's 5 minutes to 9. We're calling it a night. Body's back on it. Looking like she's ready to go. Not quite, we still got bolt check. Put it back to standard. Still probably got another night worth. Still don't know about the nose yet. That's going to do it for tonight. We'll be back out here tomorrow night or Thursday night. Not sure yet. See you then.
Idiots.
World's full of them.
That's why we created social media.
Right?
The stupid people had voices.
Keyboard warriors. How down is it? So I checked it Saturday night when we unloaded it, but she was still a little warm.
Didn't take much at all. Get a good gauge, a good belt, put an old radiator in it, the bitch only runs 210. Put a new radiator in it, the old belt, the old gauge, and the bitch fucking gets hot every night. We got a new radiator too, though.
Yeah, it's in the back. It's here. He brought it last week, Thursday, I think.